Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description, so check it out there. Typically on your Ecovacs robots, you'll pull up a little tab like this and there should be a reset button or switch. But in this case, this one just has two ports that it looks like customer service or Ecovacs could use for troubleshooting, assembly, whatever, I'm not sure. But there's no reset switch under here. So within the Ecovacs app, if you select your X8 Pro Omni, so here's ours, we can enter in, but just by hitting the image, top right hand corner, settings gear icon. Then down at the very bottom, we have this delete option. You can press that, select delete, and there we go. We just deleted it from our account. That's going to be the way that you'll be able to reset your vacuum. If you want to go ahead too at this stage, you could toggle it on and back off. That's just a power cycle, but that's what you'll do there. And then you can add it back to your account.